After all the baking we've been doing lately, we thought we'd reward ourselves with one of our favorite Filipino kakanin, cassava cake. Namiss lang talaga namin to, so we decided to make some for ourselves. Tara, bake with us! We started with freshly grated cassava. Bago i-mix with the rest of the ingredients, piniga muna natin ang grated cassava to remove the extra juice. Just to be safe, take out as much excess liquid as possible. We bought the grated cassava sa isa sa mga baking stores here sa Cebu. Lampin lang ginamit namin nito guys. So if you have also like cheesecloth, you can also use that to squeeze out the excess juice ng cassava. After squeezing, medyo magkumpul-kumpul na yung cassava. So, separate ng the pieces and loosen everything before adding the other ingredients. Here are the ingredients we're using for our cassava cake. Grated cassava. We have fresh gata. And we use here yung Coco Mama unang piga fresh gata. We have the melted butter, grated cheese, condensed milk, evaporated milk, 2 pieces eggs, and white sugar. Mix na natin lahat ng ingredients. Sobrang simple lang nito guys. Walang complicated technique. Pwedeng mauna ang eggs or mahuli. Basta importante, mix lang ng mabuti hanggang everything is well combined. Kikita nyo na unti-unting magiging creamy na yung mixture, and once everything is nicely incorporated, ready na tayo for the next step. This is the aluminum tray na gagamitin natin for this. Very convenient lalo na pag marami tayong ginagawa. Since we're making 4 trays, hinati natin ang butter into 4 equal portions para mas pantay ang amount ng cassava cake sa bawat tray. And ready na sila for the oven. Habang nagbe-bake ang cassava cake natin, gawin naman natin ang toppings. For the toppings, konti lang din ang ingredients na kailangan natin. Ito yung magiging creamy layer on top of our cassava cake. Combine natin ang sugar and flour into the heated saucepan. Then add condensed milk and mix thoroughly. Add the cheese while stirring constantly. and add the fresh gata. Continue lang sa pag-stir for about 6 to 10 minutes or hanggang medyo malapot na ang mixture natin. Then, just like the cassava mixture, hinati rin natin ito into 4 equal portions. Para bawat tray, may enough topping na evenly spread sa ibabaw. I-spread lang natin siya evenly from one side hanggang sa kabilang side, making sure na covered yung buong surface para bawat bite may creamy topping. Then, back ulit sa oven hanggang mag-set yung topping and maging lightly golden. And ito na siya. Nakakatakam talaga niya, guys. Nicely set ang topping at lightly golden. And honestly, at this point, excited na talaga kaming tikman ulit ang cassava cake. Time to cut our cassava cake. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung texture. Very soft, very creamy yung topping. This is the type of Filipino kakanin na perfect with a cup of coffee. After all the baking we've been doing, I think we definitely deserve this little treat. Na-miss lang talaga namin ang cassava cake guys, and we're so happy we made some today. Simple lang talaga, pero ang sarap. Promise. Definitely worth making again and again and again.